Note due dates. Write down the due dates for homework and dates for exams. Someplace you'll see them so you don't forget about them. Budget adequate time for studying homework. It often takes more time studying mathematics to learn the subject than you may require in other classes. Homework will often take more time than you had originally thought it would. Keep this in mind as you budget time. Do homework without notes. After the first few homework problems, put your notes and book up and try to do the remaining problems without referring to your notes. In most cases you will not have these during your exams, so get used to doing problems without them. Do more homework practice, practice, practice. Do not limit yourself to just the homework that your instructor assigns. The more problems that you work, the better off you'll be. Practice as much as possible. The only way to really learn how to do problems is to work lots of them. The more you work, the better prepared you will become exam time. Seek help if you need it. If you are having trouble with your math class, you have many options open to you and you should take advantage of them. You can go to your instructor's office hours or surf the internet.